Okay, gang, here's a video to run through a couple of instances of the pullback and retracement setup. So you have your moving averages on here. This is the determining moving average. This is the big moving average, right? And everything is kind of decided based on that, right? So remember, the rules are my bias. Let's say right here, my bias long, you get a cross above, price is going higher, you need a pullback, right? You need a touch of the big moving average, you have it right here. Then you do what? You buy the high of the low bar, right? So the touch, here's the entry just above here. And the stop a tick below here, right here, this bar right here, right? Let me draw it in. Right, that's the trigger bar, the one in the middle, right? And then your target 1873, your target is going to be let's call it, for the sake of saying, 1876. So right there, right? In this instance, you got it. Nice winning trade. Now notice, in the meantime, this actually before it got your target. No, not really. It got it before, right at about the same time. But this line crossed that big line right there, so it probably would have been a little bit nerve-wracking before it went even higher. But you had your daily goal right here, right? So let's take a look at another one here. See what else we can find. Let's see. So actually, this is close enough instead of just moving around a lot. So my bias changes. Let's say my bias changes anywhere in here, right? If it changes here, then you have to wait for this line to cross. You get that cross, right? Price is already pushed down. It pushes back up. It touches the big line. Where's your entry? Your entry is one tick below the low of the bar that's touching, right? So right here, your stop is a tick above the high of that bar, so right there. And your target is, we'll say 65.5, because we're gonna go for 12 ticks. So right there, and looks like it, would have worked out pretty well. Okay, but that is the essence of the pullback / retracement setup. You call it a retracement when it's to the downside. You call it a pullback when it's to the upside. That's why I keep using those two terms. Okay, but it's very simple. That's how it works. We'll have multiple instances to go through it over the coming days, but that's it.